This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. This is an easy fix for a leaky dishwasher. We got a little leak here in the lower right hand corner as the dishwasher is running, and it's pretty slow, but it's kind of common with almost all dishwashers. Eventually they start to leak a little bit on the right or left corner, just a little bit of water, and it's just due to a seal inside here. It's very easy to clean and repair. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver to get the seal to come out. It's not put in by any fasteners, it's just put in by friction. I'm going to clean it up, get all the food particles and old soap off of it, and see if that's going to help. I'm also going to clean the little groove that it goes in. And when I put it back in, I'm not going to push it in really hard. I'm going to put it in very lightly and just let the door itself push it all the way in, and that way I'll have a better watertight seal. Sometimes these seals just get compressed so many times they no longer are fitting tight enough. So I'm just putting it in kind of loose. I'll close it, and then we give it a test. I noticed when the water was spraying on the upper rack there was a little more leak again, so I did the same procedure, but this time I pulled the seal further out, and I'm going to take it out almost about halfway on the full right side. I'm going to dry it off really well, clean up all the soap scum that builds up, just trying to get a nice watertight seal. I'm going to clean the edge of the door where it touches, and then I'll lightly put the seal back in. I won't push it all the way in, just maybe halfway into the groove. And that's pretty easy. That should solve your problem. And then when I tested it, no more leak. So that's a fast fix. Hope that helps you. And please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again. Bye-bye.